Hi, so welcome to today's video lesson, and in today's video lesson we're going to be taking examples as relating to potential energy. So this video is going to be a very short one because we're just going to be taking just two examples. All right, so the first example we're going to take is that we're going to say the mass, a body has a mass of 100 kg. Let's say that a body has a mass of 100 kg, and it's released from a height. Let's see, it's released from a height 100 kg and released from a height h of let's say 200 meters. Okay, then the question is, what is the energy that it used to strike the ground? So what energy does it use to strike the ground? Of course, because of the position of this body, so that has to be potential energy. Yeah, that has potential energy because it's hitting the ground. All right, so it's from a height. Of course, that's a position. Then remember that the potential energy formula, as we looked at in previous video, is actually mgh. Now let's assume that J is equals to 10 meters per second squared. That's the standard. Okay, then we'd want to use this formula, and potential energy then becomes, what's our mass? Our mass is 100 kg. That's 100 multiplied by, what's our G? 10. Then our height is 200 meters. Of course, potential energy has to be, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And that's what? That's about 200,000 joules. And of course, we can write that as 200 kilojoules. 200 kilojoules. Okay, so that's the solution to that. Very simple, isn't it? Yep, very simple. All right, so we're going to take another example. Then let's say that a body or a ball of 60 kg falls from a building of 500 meters. Now the question is, what is the energy at which it uses to hit the ground? At what energy does it use to hit the ground? Very similar, right? So you know that G equals to 10 meters per second squared. Of course, they're asking us to calculate potential energy because of the position of this ball, so of the object. And potential energy is actually equals to mgh. Okay, good. So potential energy becomes m is 60 multiplied by the acceleration due to gravity is 10, then the height is 500. And when you punch a calculator to do that, what you're going to get is 300,000 joules. Of course, we could write that in kilojoules, and so we're going to have potential energy equals 300 kilojoules. Remember that kilo is 1,000, so you see 3 zeros 1,000, so kilojoules. So that is that. So and that brings us to the end of today's lesson. So you can pick up any question and you can solve any question on potential energy. All right, so do not forget to click the subscription button as well as the notification button to get notified when I post new videos. Bye.